Alright, so I'm not going to take it back off to show you, but let's say you have a shower head similar to this. This one is a Delta. You want to hold on to the shower head and unscrew this part, or you might have to use pliers, put some cloth over it or something so you don't scratch it, right? And you take this part off, and inside there is this little thing. You see it's got like the little crosshair there, the little 4 tabs. And you need a pair of needle nose pliers. And you reach in there and you grab a hold of those little tabs and you pull this thing out. This is called a flow restrictor or a water restrictor. It's to conserve water. It won't hurt. You can always put it back in. Don't even worry if you break it. Just rip it out of there. But if you get it out, you can always put it back in, but there's no reason to. You don't need to replace your shower head. This shower head will twice the pressure, and it doesn't spray all over the place. It's nice. This particular one anyway. Most every shower head has a water restrictor in it. So yeah, look up your shower. This works. Most Deltas look like this one, and you reach in there, inside there with the needle nose pliers, and you pop it right out. And look up your particular shower head and type in water restrictor or flow restrictor. You'll find a lot of helpful stuff online or videos on YouTube. That's what I did, and I thought I would share this because I have twice the water pressure and it's beautiful, and I didn't have to replace the shower head. Okay, hope that helped. More useful stuff.